Experiencing a frozen infotainment screen or no sound in your Cupra Formentor can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware problems, or connectivity conflicts within the modular infotainment matrix system. First, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to restart the system, clearing temporary cache. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by turning off the engine, waiting 10 minutes, and restarting. For no sound issues, check Bluetooth connections and ensure no devices are conflicting. These steps resolve most temporary glitches. If basic resets don't solve the problem, ensure your Cupra Formentor has the latest software updates. Check for over-the-air updates via the car's settings menu or the Cupra app, especially Update 2.5, which fixes MIB 3 freezes and audio dropouts. For persistent issues, a dealer visit might be necessary for advanced diagnostics or hardware repair. Regularly updating the system and avoiding overloading it with too many apps can prevent future problems. In worst-case scenarios, hardware replacements like amplifiers may be needed, but often software solutions can restore full functionality.